How to replace a Thomson bearing on an NBS 5-row diverter. Items required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Remove the 2 end guards. Remove the bottom guard. Disconnect the pneumatic tubing. Remove the fittings and jam nuts. Use a hook tool to remove the 16 springs. Remove the 4 stop bolt nuts. Measure the length of the bolts before removing. This is important because the bolts will need to be reinstalled at the same length, as it will affect the height of the divert wheels. Unscrew the 4 stop bolts through the lift table and remove the 4 plastic stop spacers. Draw arrows on the lift table pointing in the direction of product flow. The lift table must be reinstalled in the same direction. Loosen and remove the 6 bolts holding the bottom lift table plate. Carefully drop out the lift table. The MBS belts and O-rings will hold the upper lift table. If the shaft is dirty or slightly nicked from the bad bearing, use emery cloth or fine sandpaper to clean and smooth the surface of the shaft. Use snap ring pliers to remove the snap ring and bearing. Install the new bearing and snap ring. Install the bottom plate. Make sure the arrows are pointing in the direction of flow. Install the 6 bolts, washers, and lock nuts. Install the stop spacers and bolts. These bolts determine the height of the divert wheels, and it is important to adjust them to the same length as they were before they were removed. Install the 16 springs. Install the jam nuts, fittings, and connect the pneumatic tubing. Install the bottom guard. Install the two end guards. For more MHS conveyor maintenance videos, visit MHS-conveyor.com.